Hey there, this is Erik Ulven, guitar designer selling guitars. Today we're looking at this Emerald Virtuo. I've been recommending these for a couple years now, especially where I live here in Florida, Daytona Beach. It's just a great guitar to, just takes very little maintenance other than wiping it down and changing the strings, changing out the battery. Other than that, like the heat and humidity here, it's a tank. You don't have to do anything with it. I haven't had to adjust a truss rod. Everything stays in its place. It just, gets a little dirty, a little grimy sometimes. So I just wanted to go over a quick review here, what I like and what I, kind of don't like about some of these, and how to quickly string them up. I love the weight, super cool carbon fiber, obviously. It has that wood look on the top. They come with the Guiteau 510 tuners, which are my favorite tuners. I don't think there's anything better on the market for tuners. And you got your Fishmans, you got the piezo saddles, you've got everything you need from the electronics to go back and forth, blend, to use both at the same time. It has a back control plate here, and it has this opening here at the top that gives good resonance. And let me tell you, the tone from these things, just acoustically and when plugged in, it definitely will, it carries. My favorite acoustic guitars are Martins, because I really like that low end kind of bassy bottom, end to them. These hold up to Martins all the time. And like I said, what you get out of being able to gig around here consistently and not having to worry about any structural problems happening from the heat and humidity, it's totally worth it. The price tag is a little hefty, so that's why you got to make sure that you got the money coming in to be able to make it worth it on these guys. But we'll just go over real quick how to string this bad boy up. And this is the set that I highly recommend to use on these Emerald Virtuos, especially if you're doing a good mixture of rhythm and lead. If you like to do a little bit of both in your set or practice that stuff at home. That way you have the very low, the heavy bottoms there. 10, 13, 17 is your kind of normal 10s for electrics. And then 30, 42, 52 is getting more towards that acoustic kind of level. And they sound great on this guitar. They play great. You can get the bends out of your, G, B, and E, but then you get that really good low-end rhythm that can carry you through, just your regular cowboy chord strumming kind of stuff for your 30, 42, and 50. Highly recommend. All right, so when you're stringing up the guitar, it's super easy. Some people think you have to take that back plate off, but I was just doing that to check out some of the electronics. All you gotta do is put it in here and slide it forward so it catches. So now that it's pushed forward in the bridge like this, pull it straight. And then I like to use handy dandy third hand capo and just hold it right there. Then you can go about stringing up the guitar the way you usually do.